So the reason why you do not want to be mixing this with fruit juice or milk or fruits or anything like that is because like milk's got lactose in, fruit juices have fructose in, they're sugars. The whole point of having this is the fact that you're going to be putting 30 amazing organic herbs into your body straight away. It's going to be the first thing to hit an empty digestive system. It's going to coat the full 360 degrees of the digestive system and absorb into the blood. The sugars can feed the bad bacteria, create inflammation and stuff. So just save them for later if you're really going to have them. The only thing you want to be mixing this with is pure, well-filtered water or spring water. And then you're getting all the magic of it and the right balance of each of the herbs. And if you want it to be more fruitier, order the wild berry flavour. And if you just want it a little bit sweeter, you can have the chocolate flavour. There's absolutely no need to put anything else in there other than water. And if it's quite hard to get down, you can always put like 150 ml of water, 1 scoop, shake it up, shot it, put another 150 ml of water, put another 1 scoop in, shake it up, shot it, and then just wash it down with another 300 to 400 ml of water, and you'll all be good.